All right, so as marketers, we need to be able to talk about different markets and know really what we're talking about. In other words, we need to be able to describe markets in a meaningful way. How do we do that? Well, a lot of times we align the markets around the goods or the services that we expect them to consume or purchase. So the good or service that we plan to sell is or provide is often one way that we describe a market. The other way, or another way that we might describe a market, is which need are we meeting? In other words, what need is met by our good or service? And this can be different. We can sell different people the same product to meet different needs. That happens all the time. So that's another key way that we can describe a market, is by what need are we meeting. Next, we can also describe markets by the customer characteristics among the customers in that market. So it could be demographics, it could be all sorts of different things that describe really the customer in that market more so than just the market itself. So that's a third way we can describe a market. And then lastly, location is a very common way to describe a market because, for one thing, a lot of times being in different places geographically will make some kind of meaningful difference in the consumer or in the way they use our product. So these are the 4 different ways that we can describe a market.